Discover the power in your money. If you're up for that, I'm with you. I'm Reverend Karen Russo, and I'm so excited to be at Unity Houston Sunday, October 7th. I'll be with you for the Sunday morning services. I'm going to be continuing the series that Reverend Michael Gott is leading, and really excited. I'll be sharing about the Beatitudes and what we can learn and reveal as we stand in the truth of how blessed we are and can be. And then Sunday afternoon, workshop. I'll be sharing with you a wonderful complement and deepening to the Money Keys approach. So for those of you that have read my book or you're familiar with the idea that our wealth happens through us, not to us, I think you'll be able to come and have an even deeper experience of the power of a holistic approach to your money. And for everybody, we're going to spend some time with my latest teaching, which is understanding and living that there are two approaches to wealth creation that all of us can participate in. And when we understand both the masculine approach to money, which gets us focused and productive, and the feminine approach to money, which has us satisfied and peaceful, no matter where we are with our money and our life stages, family, business, profession, retiring, how we're contributing, no matter what we're up to, there is more of the good of God to be revealed. And these two approaches, when lived into, make a profound difference. So I can't wait to be with you. We're going to do some good work together. We're going to share our hearts and minds, and we're going to be able to be of maximum benefit to a world that absolutely needs us at our best. I'll see you there.